So hey there and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to highlight the active row in Excel. So this is super useful during presentations or when you are working with large data sets. It helps focus attention exactly where you want it. So before we jump in, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comment. So without wasting any more time, let's right jump in. So first of all, you have to search for Microsoft Excel on your PC. So just let me search for Excel, and here you go. You have to launch this app, and if you don't find this software on your PC, then maybe it is because you don't have installed it already. So make sure to install it. So now let's talk about Microsoft Excel's overviews. Let me explain how it works. So Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet application which is developed by, which has been developed by Microsoft. It is used for organizing, analyzing, and storing data in tabular form. It is widely used in business, education, and personal finances for tasks like budgeting, reporting, data tracking, and calculation. At its core, Excel works with workbooks, which are files made up of worksheets. Each worksheet is a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns, which is labeled with letters. So let me show you. So here you can see this is a Excel sheet. Each cell can contain data like text, numbers, or formulas. Formulas allows you to perform calculations like adding total